Once you are logged into PowerPTC, you will see your dashboard showing all the students that are associated with your account at Lisle Elementary School. To schedule, you can either click on Attempt to Schedule under the student's name, or you can click on Conference Schedule. From here, you see it goes to one of the students. It will show you that you are not scheduled. To select a time, click on the words Not Scheduled. The full schedule will appear. Any appointment slots that are available to schedule will show Request Appointment. Click on the desired time. Then click on Schedule Appointment. You will see the appointment time you selected at the top of the screen. If you prefer an in-person appointment, then you're all set. You can click on Return to Schedule, and it will show you what your schedule is. If you prefer a virtual conference, there's one more step to complete. Under Meeting Type Location, you see this little calculator type of icon. Right now it shows in person. To change to virtual, click on this icon, and you will get the option of in-person or video conference. Click on Video Conference. Now it shows that your meeting type is a video conference. When you go back, you will see that this student is now scheduled for the appointment time shown here. Next, if you have another student, please go ahead and follow the same steps to schedule your other students. Thank you.